Hi, in this video I'll be walking you through the installation of 4 CNCF projects which are APISIX, KubeStellar, Tetragon and Thanos using the AI missions in the KubeStellar console. Quick setup. There is a current cluster running which is connected to the KubeStellar console. So if you click on AI missions, you'll see this interface. So the whole point of AI missions is to reduce or save the time taken in googling error messages or reading bunch of different Stack Overflow answers. So using AI missions, you can just import a community curated mission, click run and let the AI agent handle installation, verification and uninstall on your own clusters. So AI missions requires configuration of an AI agent. So if you can see, I have configured Cloud Code. You can choose any of the supported provider here. So let's start the first mission, which is the API6. If you click on browse community missions and go to installers and search API6, so you'll see this. You just need to click on import. So after you click it, the console automatically redirects to the chart interface. Then if you want, you can edit these steps, mission steps in this installation by clicking this edit, then save, or if you want by default, just click on run mission. So the agent gets to the work by going through the steps of the installation, which then installs the whatever the project is. So in this case it's API6. So let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, we have successfully installed the APISIX. The AI agent also suggests a bunch of different various steps further. If you want, you can chart and edit and configure, or else if you want to uninstall, just say uninstall APISIX. As you can see, the uninstall is completed. So next we will install KubeStellar. So if you just click on this plus icon and browse community and type KubeStellar. So we need to install the CNCF install KubeStellar because it's the latest version. Click on import. Then again we'll see a run mission button. So before that, KubeStellar is an Kubernetes operator for running array, which is running array which contains array clusters, array jobs, array services, which can be used for managing machine learning workloads, hyperparameter tuning and reinforcement learning. So if you just click on run mission, so the model gets into installation of the KubeStellar. So let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. So as you can see, the installation of KubeStellar is successful, but there is a blocker which is the 8 pod cannot schedule. This is due to the memory shortage, I guess. Yeah, which can be resolved. It's just a overhead problem. So let's see if the agent can solve this problem. Can you resolve? As you can see, the AI agent has resolved the blocker in the step 4 and the pod is ready. So this is how the AI agent can be used. So next is the Tetragon. Tetragon is a eBPF based runtime security agent from the Cilium project. So let's import it. Tetragon. Click on import. It will redirect to the chart. Then as it is run mission. So the Tetragon is successfully installed and verified. So next and the last project is Thanos. Click on plus browse. Thanos. Import. So Thanos basically provides long-term storage and a global query view for existing Prometheus deployments. Let's run it. So as you can see, the Thanos project is installed successfully and also verified. So this is how you install all the 4 projects. Thanks for watching.